Here, you. I was just trying to. Alright. I stopped it just in case you were. Oops. Boom. How many hiccups you got? What did you... Oh, you just had pork and beans, right?
No, it's hot dog, beans, and also
pork and beans. That's what they call
other
it.
thing.
What other thing? The part of a...
chocolate.
Oh, part of the chocolate... Part of the chocolate fry pie.
Yeah.
I just trying to figure out what you got them from, because that's all you really ate.
And also chocolate milk. I drank some chocolate milk, but that was it.
No more chocolate milk for her. Causing hiccups. No, I don't know. I just trying to figure out what you ate to cause them. It's obviously your digestive system. Probably should go to the chiropractor again. Then you won't get no more hiccup videos. Remember they said...
But then the cotton candy kids will be disappointed.
The hiccup crowd. They said that hiccups can be related to the third vertebrae in the neck.
Well,
according to the chiropractor from years ago. Well, you've always got hiccups or like burping and stuff like that. Even from the time you were young.
I'm the hiccup queen.
Yeah, apparently. Yeah, when you were younger, you used to get them too.
Comment down below, Cotton Candy Kids, if that should be my nickname. My nickname, Hiccup Queen.
But even when you were younger, sometimes you would get hiccups or burps right before you ate or right after you ate. No matter what it was, whether it was the formula or that special Neocate formula. Okay. That one was a little weird. That was a little weird.
I'm just like laughing.
Got a lot of belly gas, apparently.
What?
You gotta get a tripod. You have to get your own phone next time and hold it on yourself. Man, my arm's getting falling off. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
5 minutes of hiccups so far.
Really,
between the two videos.
Cotton Candy Kids, comment down below if Hiccup Queen should be my nickname.
At least for these.
I think that's super sweet. I even have a crown.
Maybe I'll put that in the title. Maybe I'll do that for the video. This video. I'll put Hiccup Queen. You okay?
Yeah, I think I have.
Alright, we're going to sign off here. Thanks for stopping in for the hiccups and downs.
That's
hiccups
not
and
my outro, Dad.
I did my own. Do one.
It's Cotton Candy Kids. Make sure you give this video 2 thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you Cotton Candy Kids next time. Bye!
Says the Hiccup Queen.